Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Deco Diva. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: repurposing furniture for a cozy rustic farmhouse style. Whether you're looking to transform your old pieces into something fresh or give your space a charming vintage vibe, this video is just for you. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment letting us know your thoughts or your favorite DIY project. Repurposing old furniture is a fantastic way to refresh your home without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore simple ways to breathe new life into old chairs, tables, and cabinets, all while creating that rustic farmhouse feel. The beauty of this style lies in its versatility. Whether you prefer a more polished look or a worn-in, lived-in feel, there's something here for every taste. So grab your paintbrush, some sandpaper, and let's get creative. By the end of this video, you'll have tons of ideas to take your home to the next level with rustic decor that tells a story. Alright, let's jump into the first tip and begin transforming your furniture. When selecting furniture to repurpose for a rustic farmhouse style, it's important to look for pieces with character. Think about solid wood tables, chairs, or even shelves with distressed finishes. These items are perfect for transforming with just a little TLC. Avoid anything too modern or sleek. The rustic look thrives on imperfections, so embrace pieces that have a lived-in, worn-out charm. An old cabinet or an antique chair can add incredible depth to your farmhouse decor. Look for vintage finds in thrift stores or flea markets. Sometimes, a hidden gem is waiting to be discovered. Even items that seem a little outdated can be the perfect candidates for a rustic makeover, so don't overlook pieces simply because they don't look on trend at the moment. Another great tip is to keep an eye out for furniture that has a unique shape or structure. These are perfect candidates for being repurposed into something that fits the rustic style, whether that's with a fresh coat of paint or simply reworking its original design. With the right vision, anything can become a piece of rustic charm. Once you've chosen your pieces, the next step is to distress the wood. This can be done in several ways depending on the look you're going for. You can use sandpaper to rough up the edges, or apply a layer of paint and then sand it down to expose some of the original wood. Distressing helps achieve that weathered, worn-out look that is a hallmark of rustic farmhouse furniture. Another technique is to use a vinegar and steel wool solution. This mixture creates a natural patina on the wood, making it look as though it's aged for years. Apply this solution to the surface, and within hours, you'll see your wood take on a beautiful, rustic finish. This technique is perfect for creating pieces that look like they've been part of your family for generations. Don't forget to use a wax or sealant to protect your distressed finish. It'll help maintain the rustic charm while ensuring your repurposed furniture stays durable and functional. A matte finish works great for keeping the rustic look intact while adding an extra layer of protection to the piece. Rustic farmhouse style thrives on the beauty of nature, so consider adding natural elements to your furniture pieces. One way to do this is by incorporating wood accents or using reclaimed wood for shelving or drawer poles. You can even add twine or rope to drawers and cabinets for a rustic, country-inspired look. Another creative idea is to add natural textures such as wicker or rattan. These materials bring in that earthy, organic feel that's so central to the farmhouse aesthetic. If you have old baskets, chairs, or even mirrors, you can give them a new life with a touch of natural material for that perfect rustic finish. Don't be afraid to experiment with raw materials either. Pieces like unfinished wood or stone tiles can really elevate your rustic decor, and they look stunning when paired with repurposed furniture. Adding these elements to your furniture repurposing project can really help ground the look and make it feel more authentic. If you're looking for a way to give your furniture a vintage vibe, chalk paint is your best friend. This type of paint is perfect for achieving that distressed, rustic look with minimal effort. It goes on smoothly, and you can layer it to create depth and texture on your furniture pieces. With chalk paint, you don't need to worry about priming or sanding the wood first, making the process much easier and quicker. Once the paint is dry, you can distress it to reveal the layers underneath, giving your furniture that beautiful time-worn appearance. For an even more authentic farmhouse look, consider mixing your own chalk paint colors. Soft creams, faded blues, and muted greens are all beautiful shades for creating that rustic charm. The possibilities are endless, and you'll love how versatile chalk paint is when giving your old furniture a farmhouse makeover. Repurposing old cabinets can add both style and functionality to your home. You can turn a vintage cabinet into a statement piece by removing doors or adding a fresh coat of paint. For a more rustic look, try adding glass knobs or replacing the hardware with a more vintage-inspired option. Another creative idea is to transform cabinets into open shelving units. Simply remove the doors, give the wood a good distressing treatment, and you'll have a beautiful, rustic shelving unit that's perfect for displaying your favorite decor items. You can even add some industrial metal brackets for an extra farmhouse touch. Don't forget to think about storage. Repurposed cabinets can still be functional while adding rustic charm to your home. You can line the shelves with baskets for additional storage or create a cozy coffee bar or mini bar area inside the cabinet to make the most of its use. Chairs are an excellent piece of furniture to repurpose for a rustic farmhouse style. Whether it's an old dining chair, rocking chair, or even a bench, there are so many ways to update them for your space. You can repaint them, reupholster the seat cushions with burlap or plaid fabric, or even mix and match different chair styles for a more eclectic look. One great tip is to distress the wood of your chairs to make them look weathered. Sand down the legs, armrests, and backrest for a worn look, and then apply a neutral tone paint. You can also use wax to create a soft, matte finish that enhances the rustic vibe. Finally, you can add finishing touches to your chairs by incorporating farmhouse elements such as a cozy throw or decorative pillows with country patterns. This will not only add comfort but also give your chairs a charming farmhouse appeal. Old tables, particularly wooden ones, are fantastic candidates for repurposing into rustic farmhouse furniture. A wooden table can be transformed by sanding down its surface, adding a fresh coat of paint, and distressing it to give it that time-worn look. You can also add new legs or incorporate reclaimed wood for a more authentic feel. Consider painting your table in light, earthy tones like beige or gray for a more neutral look. Or, you could go bold with dark, rich colors like navy or charcoal to give the table a more dramatic presence. Adding rustic table legs or even repurposed metal can give it that farmhouse industrial feel. Don't forget the tabletop. You can enhance your table with a wooden or stone centerpiece to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Whether it's a simple wooden tray or a vase of fresh flowers, the right decor can turn a repurposed table into the focal point of your room. Beyond furniture, there are plenty of decorative pieces that you can repurpose to add to your rustic farmhouse style. Things like old picture frames, shutters, and crates can be easily transformed into stylish decor accents. Picture frames can be repainted or distressed, and old crates can become stylish storage units or wall shelves. For a more rustic look, you can hang vintage mirrors with wooden frames, or even use old barn doors as wall decor. The beauty of farmhouse decor is that it's all about mixing the old and new, so don't hesitate to incorporate unique, vintage items alongside newer pieces for a more eclectic feel. Adding touches like old signs, vintage light fixtures, or decorative ironwork can also give your space that perfect farmhouse charm. These smaller decorative accents work together with the larger repurposed furniture pieces to create a warm, inviting atmosphere in your home. Thank you so much for joining us on this fun journey into the world of repurposing furniture for a rustic farmhouse style. I hope these ideas have sparked some creativity in you and inspired you to transform your own furniture pieces into rustic treasures. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another home decor tip, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite repurposing project, or let us know what kind of furniture you're planning to transform next. Your feedback means the world to us, and we're so excited to keep sharing ideas with you. Until next time, remember to get creative and make your home truly yours with some fun repurposing projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.